Alright, today doing an oil change on a 2017 Kia Forte with the 2-liter engine. So now we're under the car. And we have right here, it's for our oil filter. They have a little compartment for it. And right back there they have another spot for draining the oil. So we're gonna go back there. Now when you're under the car, you're gonna have this little spot to drain the oil. What I'm going to do is press these two tabs in right here. It'll come right down. You can pull that off. Now you can see the oil drain plug right there. We're going to loosen that up. I believe it's a 17 millimeter in this case. Just going to put our sucker right on there. Just going to crack this loose. Just like that. Got our oil drain going ready. Just gonna loosen this up. This could be hot if you're just driving, so be careful. Not burn yourself. And the trick is when you get this loose, you keep pushing in. Once you see it start dripping, you're gonna pull real fast. And there it goes. Now for the oil filter. You see this? Let's see if I can get that oil filter cap right there. So you're gonna press these same tabs in right here. Alright, as we pressed all these in, got the oil filter cap off. Alright, up in here, you can see our oil filter. Right there. Little blue thing. Now we're gonna unscrew that. It should be on there, kind of hand tight. So see if we can get it. But that's on there pretty tight, so we're not going to be able to get that by hand. If you can't get it by hand, then I'm going to get one of these oil filter wrench balls. Something like this, so you can get something different. I'm going to loosen it right up. Now if you're using a wrench like I am, that's kind of hard to get it up in there. So what you'll have to do is there's two 10 millimeter bolts here and here. And then you have some tabs over here, like this one right here. Right there. Just gonna loosen it up. Kind of get it popped out. And this should all be loose. And I think there's another 10 millimeter here. And on the other side, same spot. Once you get those loose, then you'll be able to pop this right off. I took those things off and I just popped this down a little bit so I could get at this angle. Once I got at this angle, I come in here with my pliers and I'll loosen that up. Now that you got oil filter out, and you come back underneath, and you're just gonna look up in the hole, make sure this surface is clean up here. Just wipe it off with your paper towel or whatever. Get that cleaned up. Right in there. Now we're going to take our new filter. What I like to do, especially if it's up and down, is I like to pre-fill my filters. So I'm going to take my new oil here. I'm just going to pour some of it into my filter. Now I got oil in my filter here, you can see it. And I just took a little bit as well and rubbed around this O-ring. Now we're going to install this in the car. Back into the car. Come on, our little oil filter hole. We're just gonna reach up there, find the little spot to screw on. And it should be really easy to put on. So you're just gonna twist it up. Once you got it kind of tight, you're gonna just make it snug, hand tight. Nothing crazy. And there it is on there. New filter. Once you got all that in place, you're gonna put your oil filter cap back on. You're gonna come back to your drain plug back here. Take your wrench, just come on here, just snug it up nice and tight. Then you're gonna take your engine oil drain cover. Pop that right back in. Now you're gonna come around in the car. You go right here, pull the lever, pop the hood. Open up the hood. Cut up the latch right here. I'm gonna put the latch in right there. Out here at the top of the engine. And loosen up our fill cap right there. Loosen that up. Set it aside. You can always just kind of do a little inspection on the engine. Just look inside, make sure everything looks good. Now this engine calls for about 4.5 quarts. So I'm gonna come up right here. And on it, you can see those little marks right there. And we're just gonna go down to that 1 quart mark. So we took our oil, we filled it up, poured it in here. I filled right up to that 1 quart line. The reason we want to do that is because we don't want to overfill, so we'll just start with 4, and then we'll see if we need any more after. So next, you're going to take your car, remove them off the ramps or jack stands, and get on level ground so we can check the oil level. So now we got the car back on level ground. So now what we're going to want to do, we're going to come here, pull the dipstick. And clean it off. And we'll put it right back in. Pull it out. We'll check our levels. You can see right there, right here on this line. So we're good to go. We're all good. If you want, you can add a little more to get to the full, but anywhere in between here is good. All right, and there you have it. That's how you change your oil on a 2017 Kia Forte, but it works on all other cars pretty similar to that as well. And so that's all it is for today.